Did you know that you can start improving your fatty liver in just 7 days with the right approach? If you are tired of feeling sluggish, dealing with bloating, or worrying about your liver health, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to break down an actionable daily plan to kickstart your journey to a healthier liver and feeling overall healthy. So stick around because you want to know all this great information to reverse your fatty liver. Fatty liver as a disease has become a very common health concern. If you have had your blood work done or an ultrasound of your liver, you might have been told that you have fatty liver. The first thing that comes to your mind is that you do not drink alcohol or you do not drink excessive alcohol. So why did you get this fatty liver? There are various reasons of getting fatty liver except for alcohol consumption. Especially certain foods can lead to fatty liver disease. So first of all, you need to remove those foods from your daily routine, and I'm going to talk about those. And then you need to include foods that are going to heal this fatty liver, get rid of this excessive fat accumulation on your liver so you can reverse it easily. Why you should be concerned about fatty liver is that because if it is left untreated, it can lead to severe complications like fibrosis of liver, inflammation of liver, and ultimately cirrhosis of liver. But the good news is that liver is a very resilient organ. That means that if you do the right approach and the right things, you can easily help to reverse this fatty liver disease and get your liver healthy again. And that's what exactly I'm going to talk about. Easy things that you can do on the daily basis that will help you to reverse this fatty liver disease. So first, I'm going to share with you 4 foods you need to stop immediately so that they can stop damaging your liver. The second, I'm going to share with you foods you need to include on the daily basis so they can heal this fatty liver. And then I'm going to share with you that 1-day meal plan with you so that you can replicate it to help improve your liver health within few weeks. So let's get started. So first, what are those 4 foods you need to stop eating that are the reason of your fatty liver? The first food on this list is sugar. Yes, sugar is actually the main culprit of causing liver inflammation and the fatty liver disease. We are all consuming sugar in different ways, whether it is white sugar, brown sugar, honey, agave, maple syrup, or coconut sugar. All of these sugars get processed in your gut and then they directly go to your liver. Because of this excessive sugar in our body, our liver is responsible for converting this excessive sugar into the fat. And all of this fat gets accumulated on the liver itself, and that leads to fatty liver disease. So eliminate this sugar so that you can stop adding more fat to your fatty liver. The second food you need to stop consuming is simple carbohydrates. What are foods which are simple carbohydrates? So anything which is white in color is a simple carbohydrate, like white bread, like white pasta, like white rice. So you need to completely eliminate these simple carbohydrates from your diet. The third food to eliminate from your diet is any kind of processed and fried food, because all of these foods are very high in trans fats. Your body cannot process these trans fats, so they get directly deposited on your liver and again causes fatty liver. The last food to eliminate over here is alcohol. Alcohol is an external toxin that your liver has to process. So that's the reason alcohol causes your liver to work much more than is needed, and that again causes the fatty liver disease. Now let's talk about foods you need to include that is going to heal your liver. The first food over here is green leafy and cruciferous vegetables. Both green leafy and cruciferous vegetables have high amount of antioxidant compounds which have shown in research studies that help your liver to detoxify as well as also remove this excessive fat which is being accumulated in fatty liver. The second food to include is high fiber and high omega-3 foods like chia seeds, flax seeds, as well as salmon and tuna. The third food to include is spices like turmeric and ginger. They have high anti-inflammatory properties and improve your liver health immensely. And then good quality protein is really very important. Either it comes from animal source like chicken or fish, and if you're a vegan or vegetarian, it comes from lentils, legumes, chickpeas. So let me share with you this one ideal day recipe. If you follow this from morning to evening for all your meals, that is going to help you to reverse fatty liver disease in weeks. As soon as you wake up in the morning, empty stomach, you need to drink 1 glass of warm water and add a half a lemon to it as well as a pinch of turmeric powder into it. This is going to jumpstart your liver metabolism from morning itself. Then for your breakfast, you need to consume this liver cleansing smoothie. To make this smoothie, you need a cup of spinach or kale, whichever you want. Then you need to add 2 tablespoons of soaked chia seeds to it, half an inch of ginger into it, and then 1 small apple into it. Either you can add water to it or almond milk or coconut milk to it. If you want to make it even more powerful, then you can add a vegan protein powder. Add all of these ingredients to the blender and blend it and consume this liver cleansing smoothie in the morning. It has all the right ingredients which help to reduce inflammation in your liver and also start cleansing your liver from breakfast itself. Then for your lunch, consume this bowl which is going to supercharge your liver. To make this bowl, you can use half a cup of either cooked brown rice or cooked quinoa. Then you need to add 1 cup of steamed broccoli and cauliflower to it. And then you can add some fresh spinach into it, 1 teaspoon of olive oil on top of it, and also squeeze half a lemon to it. Then either you can add some grilled salmon to it. If you are a vegan or vegetarian, you can add half a cup of boiled chickpeas to it. This power bowl is going to give your liver the right protein, right amino acid and right antioxidants to support your liver health. For your dinner, you can have a lentil and a vegetable soup. Basically, to make this soup, you need half a cup of cooked lentils, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, and you can use any vegetables you like, going from carrots, celery, spinach or zucchinis. And then you add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to it, sprinkle some black pepper on top of it. Either you can cook the soup in a vegetable broth or in a chicken broth. And after it is cooked completely, you add 1 teaspoon of olive oil on top of it. Again, this creates a complete meal, and this is going to again end your day at a high note for your liver. Again, giving all the right amount of protein, right amount of antioxidants, so support your liver health. So there you have this one ideal day from morning to evening. If you follow it daily, you are going to reverse your fatty liver within weeks' time. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.